What is happening? It looks like a diseased turtle. You know who we haven't visited in a while? It's Troom Troom, and it looks like they're back at it again. This is me, I'm so royal. Hello and welcome to the Queendom. I'm Sarah Ingle, and today we're going over Valentine's Day beauty slash Valentine's Day hair hacks. Something like that from Troom Troom. Excited, 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 excited. I can tell you already from the first, not even second, the first frame of this, that is not something I would ever do to my hair or recommend you do to your hair. But if you do that to your hair, please tag me in it because I want to see.
Choose who you want to be on Valentine's Day.
Choose who you want to be?
An angel.
Wait, are they confused? They think that Valentine's Day is Halloween? Do you want to be an angel or a devil? I don't think that's Valentine's Day either. Is the redhead girl gonna be the devil because she has red hair? Cupid is neither an angel nor a devil.
If you went for the dark side of love, then get ready.
Dark side of love. I think they're really confused about Valentine's Day here. Valentine's Day, yes, you could do a red makeup. A red is very popular to wear on Valentine's Day, as is pink, because they're associated with hearts. And blood is red.
For starters, apply burgundy.
Don't blow on your makeup brushes, people. That's a great way to get germs on them.
Define the waterline with a red eye pencil.
That's a choice. But I don't think I've ever seen anybody line their waterline in red.
Attach a piece of a Band-Aid to the outer corner.
A Band-Aid?
That's right. This life hack actually works.
They had to clarify, this life hack actually works. Because none of the other ones do. Yes, you can do that.
Add little horns to the hairstyle.
Can you imagine if you show up for your Valentine's Day date and you're wearing red Satan horns? I was not expecting this. I was expecting some like funny, stupid hair things. This is just very misinformed about what Valentine's Day is. I don't know. I kind of love Troom Troom for this right now because it's providing me so much entertainment.
Cut wings out of a Band-Aid. Attach them starting from the outer corner of the eye to the temple.
Wait.
Define the outline of the wings with blue eyeshadow.
Okay, good. No. Thank goodness.
Trace the outline of the wings with a white eye pencil. Draw angel feathers.
You know, that's actually kind of a cute effect. I think there's like cool things you could do with that.
Even if you have a short, edgy haircut, there's no reason.
Buzz cut's very edgy.
Place a heart stencil onto short hair and apply pink spray hair.
Oh, he's gonna not be happy. You also need to hold that down a little better. Otherwise, all that spray is gonna like seep underneath and you're just gonna have a big spot.
Here you go.
I don't know why you'd wanna do this and make yourself, like I said, look like, kind of like Yoshi. No, Yoshi didn't have a spotted head. Is Toad the little mushroom guy?
Little mushroom guy, yeah.
Oh, he does look like Toad. It's a Toad look.
I'm the best! When you really want a special hairstyle. Very special.
Very special. I did some very, very questionable, odd hairstyles in 8th grade that my school actually made me even take down. So I speak from experience when I say tread lightly, inventing new hairstyles.
Put your hair into a ponytail and divide it in half. Twist it and shape the twist into a heart.
So that's actually not terrifying.
I borrowed these arrows from Cupid. I hope he won't mind. I'll shoot the arrows into my hair and no one will break my heart today.
Well, you know what? I can assure you, you're probably not gonna be catching too many hearts with that hairstyle. It looks like if you like bend them certain ways, you might get better reception. You know what? I must say though, if you show up to a date like this and that person doesn't run for the hills, you've found true love. Because They will let you get away with anything and they'll just let you be yourself.
Got a bouquet stuck in your beard?
What? Now this is a problem I've not heard before. Got a bouquet stuck in your beard. You know what, though? She didn't run. You know what? She might be a keeper. If I were her, I might be a little concerned or maybe just impressed. Because the likelihood of that happening is so low that there's obviously some sort of like supernatural stuff going on here.
No big deal. The important thing is these flowers are from you.
Wait, was that the hack? That was the hack? I thought we were about to...
Cupid got sick, but today is the worst day to call in sick. Achoo!
Why?
Whoops! One wrong sneeze and an arrow hits a head instead of a heart.
What happened?
Coat it with gold acrylic
So what is
paint.
the DIY? We're
Cut
making
arrow parts out of sparkling
an arrow?
foam paper, the back, and
Is
a
that what's
heart.
happening?
And fasten the arrow to a headband. Now all my thoughts are only about love.
So apparently if you wear a headband that makes it look like you've been skewered through the head with a heart arrow, it's okay to go around and kiss all the boys at your school. And they're all happy about this. Because Valentine's Day is the worst day to call in sick for work. I'm so confused. Oh, that weird, awkward, breathy voiceover. I can't even. Oh, I don't want to unhear it. I keep hearing it over and over again in my head. Oh.
Even if you have no one to celebrate Valentine's Day with, you can always celebrate your love for Troom Troom.
Yes, we can! Let's do it. That's what today's about. We're going to celebrate our love for Troom Troom because you know what, Troom Troom, the more I watch your videos, the more I feel like you're intentionally trolling us, and I kind of like that.
Oh, that's a great ponytail. You just have to add a matching hair accessory.
What? I can totally picture Regina George saying that. She'd be like, it's okay, we love you even though your hair is greasy. It's a really nice ponytail.
Cut letters out of foam paper and 2 hearts. Hot glue the
it's
letters
Troom
to a
Troom.
hair clip.
Do they have Troom Troom merch? I kind of want some Troom Troom merch. I'm just gonna wear it around and do my hair in like crazy heart things and wear my Troom Troom merch, and it's gonna be a good day. That is the troomiest Troom. You know what? I think Troom Troom of all of them is my favorite. Don't tell 5-minute crafts.
Did you oversleep on Valentine's Day? But Cupid is calling you. What? A date?
What? The minds of Troom Troom, they're so creative. How did they come up with this?
Red alert! Natural makeup requires supernatural efforts.
Not necessarily. Just put on some BB cream. And like, she's already got nice eyebrows. Maybe some BB cream and some, Benetint. BB cream and Benetint.
And curlers on the strands near
That is not natural.
face. Smooth out the skin with a concealer.
That is
Don't
not
forget your
concealer.
under eye circles and tiny blemishes. No one is supposed to see my actual skin color.
Is this supposed to be true advice? I hope not. I think they're being sarcastic. Ew, and he came with a stain on his jacket.
You always look so natural. Ew, is that poison?
What happened? Oh, it was Devil Girl.
Your baby hair won't let you do a nice hairstyle full of love?
Her hair looked fine.
We know how to tame your frizzy hair.
They don't know the meaning of frizzy hair.
Dampen soap with micellar water and apply it onto a spoolie. And style them into an elegant wave.
Oh no. Well, that's a choice.
Apply strips
What?
of rainbow colors shaping
What
a heart.
are they painting
and let your
with?
masterpiece dry. This is why you need friends
be
on
careful. She almost
Valentine's
got it in her
Day.
hair.
Listen, I met my dream guy. Look,
On Tinder? How is he your dream
he is
guy?
my dream guy too.
Oh
it's the
no.
same guy.
They found him both on Twinder. No, that all came out wrong. Is there Twinder for twins who want to date other twins? I hit my head laughing at my own stupidity. that is questionable. Maybe that's what you do on twindersonly.com.
Oh, that's a great photo backdrop for romantic pictures.
What?
This is real friendship. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I have a pimple the size of my whole heart on my cheek. How do I hide it?
With your Troom Troom backpack!
Stickers? That's a great idea.
It could be an interesting Coachella look. Not sure I would do it for Valentine's Day, but you know what? If your date doesn't run.
And what about my hair? Decorate it with stickers too.
Don't put stickers in your hair.
Put a printed picture of lips onto a sponge and trace it. Glue the lips to a paint roller.
Like, that's creative.
Apply the roller with safe paint to it.
Safe paint. You know what?
The kiss pattern looks amazing on the hair.
I don't think she's gonna be too crazy about that.
Oh wow! This is amazing!
She's trendsetter. Trendsetter. Trendsetter.
Do you like our Valentine's Day looks? Then comment below which one you'd copy on February 14th.
You know what though? Troom Troom? In the spirit of Valentine's Day, I am going to give you a thumbs up. Valentine's Day, unlike what Troom Troom told us at the beginning, is not actually about Satan. It's about love. So if you spread the love today to your friends, to your fellow neighbor, to your next door neighbor, to your neighbor's dog. Not in a creepy way, just in a friendly way. Oh, and let me know in the comments below who is somebody that you love. Oh, I expect to see lots of hearts. And I will be hearting lots of your comments. Because I actually almost always heart a lot of your comments anyways, especially at the beginning. If you guys want to see more videos like this, a lot of times they're ones where we are exploring the best and the worst beauty hacks. So it's like beauty, lifestyle, fashion with a pinch of magic. The little magical twist, which means we also sprinkle in a lot of Disney stuff. If you want to see more videos, remember to subscribe. And if you want those to come right to you, ring the little bell. Happy Valentine's Day and have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. I think they're somewhere in Ukraine. They're all sitting behind their screens or their phones just laughing at us. They'll believe anything we say if we have a colorful background and a happy voice.
Colorful background.
Colorful background, happy voice, believe everything I say. Valentine's Day is not satanic. You know what, Rosie over there, Rosie's one of my favorites. She's always like, she goes for it. Thank you, Rosie. I appreciate you. Aluminum foil? Aluminum foil? Hey Google, what's the main mean girl's name?
On the website sheknows.com, they say, in Greek, baby means the meaning of the name fate is destiny.